Jagoro mongire migao masomo Dr. Julius Bitoko singone jopuonj mag junior school ni piny owacho biro miyo gi tich chakre higa manyien. Bitoko wacho magi kane lose gweng' ma South Eldama Ravine e kinde mane iko Brian Kuto mane nyathi jatend skund nyiri ma Met-K. Rosemary Kuto, jopuonj mag junior school osebedo gi ng'ur ewi mano magiwacho ni piny owacho pok orango chal margi kinde duto. Ma biro kelo fungruok ne jopuonj junior school ponono ni singo ma kama ochopi gi piny owacho mamalo.
But never to make you proud. I will keep.
Shughuli zote zilipangwa na
for the JSS teachers to be employed on permanent and pensionable is not a walk in the park. Sio kitu ya kusema kwa chukua hapa confirm. When you confirm there is notice, what do? Watu watakula nini bila hii? So what we are telling you, and I want to speak from point of authority, is allow us to look for money in supplementary to ensure that when they are promoted, they get salary. And when they are converted to permanent and pensionable, they have something on their table.
We believe with your guidance and your presence in that education committee, you will do something for us. So we are saying as teachers, we shall come January, we shall not go back to class without teachers being confirmed.
Kuambia walimu wa JSS, Mheshimiwa Rais amesikia malilio yenu, amewasikia sana, na nataka kuhakikishia kwamba ametuambia kwamba tujipange, tuhakikishe kwamba in the next financial year tuweze kuweka budget ili watu wetu wa JSS walimu waweze kuwa confirmed.